So, in my journey to find you more interesting and unique kind of emergency preparedness type food, today we're going to take a look at the Chef 5-Minute Meals Backpack Meal Kit. Hey everyone, welcome back. Now I know you guys have probably seen the Chef 5-Minute Meals that are actually the meal size. They kind of look like those little single individual serving meals. Kind of like those Prego type things. But I don't know that people know about this one. This is a Chef 5-Minute Meal Backpack Meal Kit. Basically, it has everything inside there for you to have a warm meal ready to go. You don't need to even bring water. It's already got water in there to activate the heater. And it's got the heater and the food item inside. Now, these are 9-ounce meal solutions. They're shelf-stable, self-heating. It's good for up to from 3 to 5 years. These bags are good for 3 years. I think the meal kits, the little tray meals, are good for about 5 years. So this is definitely something that, actually I'm looking at putting a couple of these in my vehicle kit and taking out some heavier MREs because it makes it real simple. You don't need any heating source. You don't need to cook anything. I could do this in my car, you know? I mean, seriously, I could sit in my driver's seat and heat this up. I don't need to light any fires or anything like that. The same can be said for MREs, but these are a whole lot lighter. Now, these are a bit expensive. They're $12.49 each. But for something where you really worry about using open flame or cooking or anything like that, this is an awesome solution. And it might even fit in well with your bug out bag. The package size is 8.2 by 12 by 2, weighs about 12.3 ounces. And they try to offer home-style cooking while enjoying the great outdoors, traveling, day-to-day use, or simply surviving the aftermath of a disaster. Everything inside there is self-contained, like I said. You got a napkin, utensil, salt, pepper. You even have the water to start the heater. So let's tear into it and see what it looks like. All right. There we go. Let's get all the contents out. Make sure we got everything out of the bag. Looks like it. Now, before I put the bag away, I'm going to give you the nutritional information on it. Let me see if you can zoom in on that, if you want to pause it. You've got 230 calories per serving, and that is one serving. The sodium is a little bit lower than most. The sodium is 580 milligrams on this. I've seen pasta dishes and MREs that are way, way higher than that. Let's see, you got total fat, 5 grams. Saturated fat, 2.5. Cholesterol, 50 milligrams. Dietary fiber is 2 grams. Sugar is 7 grams. Protein is 20 grams. So, let's take a look and see what we got here. You got your meal pouch. And on there, yep, chicken pasta, Parmesan. You have your heating package. And the water inside. I guess you tear this open, so we'll do that. I like the fact that it comes with the water. That's kind of handy. If you're in a situation, and I believe it is salt water too, so you don't want to drink it. There's your heating element in there. I wonder if I can take that out so you can take a look at it. It looks like a serious heating element. It's like a bunch of little reactors in there. All right. And this is your activator, do not drink. I believe it's just salt water. But that is kind of cool. And you've got, of course, a fork, salt and pepper. We're not even going to use the fork because I've got my little UCO spork over here. But, again, nice to have. Fully contained, ready to use. Get that out of the way. And let's tuck this guy in here. It should slide in fairly easily. There we go. Okay. Now, I'm going to open this up. And pour it in. Heat it up. You notice there isn't a lot of information on this particular type of MRE on YouTube. So I figured we'd test it out, see how we like it. I'm not feeling any heat yet. But it does take 5 to 10 minutes. Starting to feel it warm up now. So what I'm going to do is bring you back once it's going, and we'll see how long it takes to heat up. Just wanted to bring you back for a second to show you It is definitely hot. It has the same kind of, it opened up a little bit on me and has the same kind of smell as your MRE heaters when they're working. But it's definitely, see, the steam coming out. So it's definitely heating up. So let's give it, it's only been about 45 seconds from my timer over there. So let's give it a few more minutes and see, give it 5 minutes actually and see what it's like. All right, been 5 minutes. It's already stopped smoking away here, or at least as bad as it was. Steaming away, I should say. Let's reach in there and, whoa, that's hot. There we go. Now, look at that. This is going to be warm. I just have fingers that don't bother it too much. Doesn't bother me too much. All right. There we go. Smells good. And I'm using the little Ozark Trails kit I reviewed. I'm just using the plate from it. I'm sure it's going to work well as a plate, but we're just going to test it out anyway. And for those of you wondering, yeah, I do plan to test this kit out over a fire. I'm going to hang the pot over it. So I noticed a lot of interest in that, and yes, we are going to be testing it further in the channel. That's why I bought it. It's not like I need another cook kit. So, let's mix it around a little. Take a look. That's what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Looks like it's definitely evenly heated. Let's test it out. Yeah. Pretty darn good. It is lacking a little salt, but we have a solution for that. Probably because it's lower in sodium, but yeah, let's ruin that right away. But it is pretty good. Now, I noticed it isn't a huge meal, and for the price, it's a little kind of offsetting, but it tastes good. And I'm thinking like travel type stuff, you know? You have to get on a plane. You know you're going to get stuck somewhere. I've been stuck in airports for 12-hour layovers, so having a meal, you know, when they give you $5 as your as your meal money to eat with, having a meal to supplement that would really come in handy. It really tastes pretty good. Once I put the salt on it, it tasted perfect. Probably could use a little pepper too, so we'll use that up. But all in all, I'm pretty pleased with it. If it's a small meal for the price, I will say that, but it's definitely tasty. It does the job it's supposed to do. It'll fill you up. And I like the fact that it comes with the water. That's kind of a neat feature for it. So anyway, that is the Chef 5-minute meal backpack meal kit. It's ready to go whenever you need it. This would even be handy to stick in an everyday carry type bag if it's big enough. You could almost get away with putting the heater unit, because this does fold up small, and the meal in a little Ziploc bag in a kit, and it would work fairly well. So it's definitely kind of cool. It is pricey, but stuff like this that's kind of specialty, and that heater is still going. Stuff like this that's kind of specialty is a little pricey, but it's definitely tasty. Not bad tasting at all. The sauce kind of has a little bit of a hint of Chef Boyardee taste to it, but it's not a bad taste, and it also tastes like regular tomato sauce. So it's not, it's not completely Chef Boyardee tasting, but definitely tasty. It's kind of hard to describe it, but it's definitely tasty. And that's the whole deal right there. So that is the Chef 5-minute meal, as I said before. This is their ready-to-eat backpack meal kit. They also make the kits that are like the little tray meals. I believe they've used those in disaster relief and other such operations. I was watching a video on them the other day where someone was explaining that they had just started the company, and I guess the DOD called up and said, we need 600,000 meals for Katrina. So talk about hitting the jackpot. It's a good way to start up. Anyway, folks, I hope you enjoyed the review today. We will have this. I'll have a link to it down below if you're interested in checking them out. There are other types of meals. This was just one I thought I'd like, so I figured I'd try it out. And I will put that link down below. Don't forget to check out our Amazon store as well. We have everything we review in there pretty much. If I can find it on Amazon, it's in the store. I usually let you know if Amazon doesn't have the best price on it. especially Walmart items. Sometimes I'll put them in the store from Amazon, but there's a better price somewhere else. So I always let you know about that. And don't forget to check out our Thrive Life link down below. You can check out our freeze-dried food there. If you're interested in getting started with freeze-dried food, it's a great place to start. And there's no club to join. There's nothing you have to sign up for. Just go there, check out the food, and see what you like and order it. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay prepared.